Time to look at kitty cats, but as superheroes. Let's take a look. What do you think the first one's gonna be? Spider-Man. Very cute. Awesome. Superman as a cat. Very cool with the cape. I like that. Green Arrow. This one's gonna be interesting. Wow, that shocked me. Amazing. Hulk. That is one angry cat. Iron Man. Iron Man is a cat, lot of armor, very cool. Wolverine. Perfect as a cat, because it already has claws. Awesome. Spider-Man. Let's take a look. That is pretty cool. Wow, awesome. The Flash. The Flash is a cat. That is really realistic. I like that. Please like this video, guys. Hopefully you're enjoying it. Let's continue. Iron Man. Very cool. Very accurate. Hulk. Another cool Hulk. Whoa, that one's cool. What do you guys think in the comments? Groot. Whoa, I was not expecting that, but very cool though. Cyborg from the DC universe. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Superman. Superman as a cat? Pretty cool. Awesome. Batman. This one's gonna be, whoa, that is probably my favorite. I like that. Wolverine again. That one's a cooler Wolverine. Awesome. Doctor Strange. Very cool with the little orange glow. Black Widow. Black Widow is a cat? Pretty cool. Batman again. What's that gonna look like? Pretty cool. Kinda just looks like a cat with a costume on. Deadpool. This one's gonna, whoa. I wasn't expecting that. Awesome. Dr. Stephen Strange. As a cat, once again, pretty mystical. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Please share with your friends, like and subscribe, and check out more videos. We got more on the way.